We do have the sad thing where a customer goes, I'm sending this back to you. It's broken, it's defective, it's not what I wanted, etc. So we have a sales return processing workspace set up expressly for those people who have a focus on them. This you most often see with those people working in the Amazon world or the direct consumer world. And so I have a number of tiles that are going to help me direct the work for my customer return management. I can start assigning reason codes to a return. I can put deadlines on them. I can flag certain returns as do not process. The stuff could have come in with a quality issue, or every time this customer buys something, we need to put them in what I call Amazon jail, because they're just going to be returning stuff and it's damaged, or we have those customers that they buy a new one and then they return an old one instead of returning the new one. And I have different status for tracking those returns that give me just a really clean way of managing a return process with a high degree of visibility and accuracy.